In this video we're going to work out the perimeter and area of this shape. Now the perimeter is the distance around the outside of the shape. So we've got to work out all these different sides. So let's work out some of the basic ones. This one's 17, that one's 12 centimetres. So the difference between them must be this amount here, which is 5 centimetres. And that's the radius of this quarter circle. So if that is 5 centimetres, this is 5 centimetres, and this one is 5 centimetres. So we're going to work out the perimeter. So the perimeter is equal to this distance along here, well that's 17, plus this distance down here, which is 5, plus this distance along here, which is 12, plus this curved bit, well that's a quarter circle, so it's a quarter of the circumference. So that will be pi d over 4. So the perimeter, well 17 plus 5 plus 12 is 34, plus pi times the diameter. Well we've already said that this distance here is the radius, so that's 5, so I need to double it to find the diameter, so that's going to be 10, all over 4. And putting that into my calculator, I'm going to get 34 plus 7.8539, etc. Okay, and putting those two together, I'm going to get 41.85398, etc. And rounding it to 2 decimal places, I'm going to get 41.83 centimetres. So now to work out the area of this shape. So what I'm going to do, as with most area questions, is going to split it up into 2 easier shapes to work out the area. So I've got the area of this rectangle and the area of this quarter circle. So the area of a rectangle, A1, is just length times breadth. So A1, we've got the length in this one is 12. And the breadth, if you remember from what we worked out before, was 5. So this is 12 times 5. So the area of this rectangle is going to be 60 centimetres squared. So let's work out the area of the quarter circle. Well, it's part of the circle, so pi r squared, and it's only a quarter of it, so I need to divide by 4. So A2 is going to be equal to pi times, now the radius, which we worked out before, is 5 squared over 4. And putting that into my calculator, I'm going to get A2 is equal to 19.63495. So the total area is if I just add up these two areas, if I do A1 plus A2. So that is 60 plus 19.63495. Add those two together, we get 79.63495, and rounding it to 2 decimal places is 79.63 centimetres squared.